Whoa, girls, here is the South African 49 in Market, released by Dennis. So it comes with the chipboard. I always love the chipboard words, love using those. It also has the ephemera and the frames, 62 pieces, so there's 33 words. There's a fair bit of stuff in this one. And then here we've also got the laser cuts. I think laser cuts might be my absolute favorite. They're so intricate. I mean, the designs are incredible, but we'll get to that. And what about, this is the laser cut florals. So this is ephemera and this is florals. So for all you flowery girls, this is going to be just up your alley. Let's have a look at the paper. I have taken it out of the plastic already. And it's really beautiful and vintagey sort of paper. Really nice to build up your vintage sort of pages. And there's quite a lot of layering already done for you, so it makes your life easy. For those girls who struggle with layering, we've already got layering done. And here we have some doilies and the floral on the back. Really pretty. Again, it's got all the sort of layering done. So obviously for those of you who really struggle with layering, you can look at this and you can kind of base your layouts off the layering that's done here. Sort of darker page. We've seen this one before. I want to celebrate. And some sort of Hessian look. How pretty is this one with the almost vintage, yeah, those vintagey colors again, the autumnal sort of colors of the roses. Very pretty. And then also included are the what do they call them? The solids, which is lovely. So that's the paper included in the paper pack. Let's just pop that to the side, because let's have a look at these. These always make my heart happy. In fact, that we don't have to sit and fussy cut for hours and they're all done. I was like, I've got to produce something with this very soon, and it's like, oh yeah, I don't have to fussy cut. That's a couple of hours already removed, huh? So all these gorgeous words. Just want to move these so you can see what's included. So tons of things, passing down traditions, moments, a moment in time, our family heritage, memories were made, we are blessed. So there's some really cool designs, they're a little bit different, cherished, and some words. So really, really incredible. I need to put that back in this little container. And remember this little pack, remember that always, whenever Dennis does them, he always includes something on the back. So don't chuck these things out, because there's always a little something extra there. Oops. Quite looking forward to doing something heritage. We haven't done heritage for a while, so this will be really cool to work on. Let's just move those to the side. Okay, the next one has got the ephemera and the frames. Try and get these out. It's heaps of stuff in here. Look at them clocks. I mean, and look how easily they just pop out. Like, come on, girls. Those of you who don't like fussy cutting, these are absolutely no excuse. Look how beautiful those are. Look at this one. These like frames inside frames. Look at it. Look how cute these are. These make my heart happy. And look at all these little bits for tucking. I mean, really? I mean, you don't have to cut a thing. Nothing. Lutu. Nothing. Like, gorgeous. Look at these. Look how these have got frames inside frames inside frames. I mean, come on, guys. Really? I love frames. You know me. I love a good frame. You can do so much with them. You can chop them up. You can keep them as they are. And each one, I mean, look here. Just gets better and better and better. Look at this. And then, of course, inside that, we still got all this stuff. Just pulling them out as we go along. I better move on to the next one so you can see what's in the next pack, because otherwise I'll be here all day just oohing and ahhing over all the frames. Okay, so there's tons of stuff in here. Let's just move towards the back. Look, these are the old kaleidoscopy thing. Viewfinder, wasn't it? A viewfinder. Look how gorgeous they are. Clocks, more clocks. All layered for you. I mean, like I said, for those of you who really struggle with layering, look at it, done for you. You know, like scrapbooking made easy. This is almost like the type of thing you could do. Let's do a speed scrap and see how many projects we can create and how quickly, because it's done for you. It's like gorgeous. Anyway, let's put these away quickly and get on to the next one. Excitement is real. This is the time when I open this pack, because I generally have not opened these packs until I open them now for the first time. I mean, I've had a little look, I'll be honest, but I don't see anything. I mean, that's easy to look at, but you don't get the full sort of impact until you open them. And it always makes the creative juices go, yes please, when can we start? So let's open this one. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these. You cannot beat the intricacy. 49 and Market has nailed these lasers. Where can you ever get anything that's cut as intricately as that and you just pop it out? Where? I mean, honestly. And there's some birds and some more sort of dried flowery things. How gorgeous. And here's the other sheet. So these two sheets are just like the flowers and the birds and stuff. Look at this. Look here. Look how easy. Pops out. Just pops. Pop it out. Look at that. Whoops. That one popped out on its own. Didn't even need any encouraging. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then of course there's always the backing sheet, and that's always got a bit of something extra. So that's the florals. Let's put that to the side. And then finally the laser cuts ephemera. Can't wait to get this open. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at these. And just pulls out. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. And look on this side. Look at these. Can't stop looking at them. I mean, pens, little bits of Hessian. I mean, how divine is that? And Hessian down the bottom. And I mean, look when you pop out this Hessian. Look at it. You couldn't fussy cut that if you tried, I'm afraid. You couldn't. And the typewriters and the old, I mean, I'd love to try putting a bit of glossy accents on these and just see them come up. And the old jars and stuff. Stunning. And this one, again, beautiful doilies, pennies. This side, more doilies. Edge frames, butterflies. Absolutely stunning. Really, really stunning. Cannot wait to work with it. It will be launched in South Africa on the 5th of January. So by the time you see this, hopefully my project will be completed and you'll be seeing my unboxing and my project almost at the same time.